BEI's Anti-Dither series interface modules create hysteresis, so mechanical dithering does not create a false count when starts, stops, and high vibrations occur. This is achieved by the interface using position information from an encoder to remove the spurious counts. Logic gates in these modules discriminate between dithering and actual movement. In an application such as a conveyor system, it may be necessary to stop the line to clear a jam or reset the process. If this stop occurs during a transition, this may cause ambiguity in a controller that can lead to false counts. BEI's Anti-Dither series prevents these mistakes from occurring. BEI's compact encoders have a module supply voltage of up to 28 volts DC and provides an output voltage of 5 volts DC. For more information on the BEI Anti-Dither series interface modules and other BEI solutions, visit galco.com.